Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Remitly. To begin, open your Remitly application and make sure you have an active account ready for sending money. You will need to ensure your Apple Pay is already linked to your preferred debit or credit card within your device's settings. This simple preparation makes your future transactions much smoother and significantly quicker, saving you valuable time and effort. Once logged in, tap the prominent Send Money button at the bottom of your screen. Next, select the person you want to send funds to from your existing recipients or easily add a new one. Then, input the precise amount of money you intend to transfer. The app will then show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees transparently, allowing you to review before proceeding. After reviewing your transfer details, navigate to the Payment Method selection screen. Here, simply choose Apple Pay as your preferred way to send funds. Once selected, a secure prompt will appear, requiring you to authenticate the transaction. You can use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your device's passcode to confirm, ensuring a secure and verified payment. Using Apple Pay on Remitly provides several fantastic benefits. You will experience industry-leading security features, protecting your financial information with advanced encryption. Transactions are processed incredibly quickly, often within minutes, meaning your recipient gets their money faster. Plus, your card details are never shared with Remitly, adding an extra layer of privacy for your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.